Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. Got a Porsche 981 here that I done just finished doing the performance upgrade for the software, and I've done the exhaust earlier on a few weeks ago. But just want to show you. This is before I put the extra spacers on, how it looks like from the back, and that one there, it's on the actual jack stand and the actual jacked up. So I just want to show you before I put this spacer here. This is a 15mm spacer, and I'm going to take the wheel off now and fit this and then show you again how it looks like. Alright, Porsche 997 Mark II Boxster. Not a Boxster S, just a Boxster. But this one's got more power, same power as the Boxster S after the performance upgrade we done. Intake, plenum, software, and sport exhaust. Probably the next thing we're going to do is a high flow catalytic converter. 200 cell from a that I done on the actual 981. I think they're the same one, but they're a bit different. Okay, I'll press pause and I'll fit this wheel and I'll go from there. Alright, this side here has got the spacer now. As you can tell, the wheels are a bit more out. So there's a spacer there between the wheel and the actual brake disc, 15mm. They give you, make sure you fit the longer bolts. You can't refit the original one because it's too short. So now I'm going to put the car down, and I'll show you how it looks from the back. There you go. Looks much better than before. Before it's a bit more out, but not too out. All right. So this is the one that's the one with the spacer. Let's look at the one without the spacer. You can't even see the tire, just half of it. So 15mm is good for HCL. I'll say 50. I think 20mm will come out a little bit too much, I think. But 15mm spacer will be perfect on the 986, 996, 997, 997 configuration. Sorry, rear wheel. Alright? Looks much nicer than before. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.